Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Qlip English, your cozy place to speak English confidently, one day at a time.
And I'm Michael. Hi, Olivia. Ready for something powerful today?
Today's topic is Don't Translate, Just Speak. And this is day one of a brand new English speaking practice series you can do right at home.
If you constantly translate in your head before speaking, today is going to change that, one simple sentence at a time.
Here's how it works. I'll give you a small situation, then a simple sentence for it, slowly, then at normal speed. Then it's your turn to say it immediately without translating first.
The goal isn't perfect grammar today. It's speed and instinct, training your mouth to respond directly in English. We have 50 situations for you today, so let's get started.
Let's begin with simple daily situations. Situation 1. Someone asks how you are. Slowly. I'm doing well, thank you.
Normal speed. I'm doing well, thank you. Your turn. Say it immediately.
Situation 2. You're thirsty. Slowly. Can I have some water, please?
Normal speed. Can I have some water, please? Your turn.
Situation 3. You agree with someone. Slowly. Yes, I completely agree.
Normal speed. Yes, I completely agree. Your turn.
Situation 4. You're running late. Slowly. I'm sorry, I'm running a bit late.
Normal speed. I'm sorry, I'm running a bit late. Your turn.
Situation 5. You didn't understand something. Slowly. Sorry, could you repeat that?
Normal speed. Sorry, could you repeat that? Your turn. Great start. Now let's move to expressing opinions quickly. Situation 1. Someone asks your opinion. Slowly. I think that's a great idea.
Normal speed. I think that's a great idea. Your turn.
Situation 2. You disagree politely. Slowly. I see your point, but I disagree.
Normal speed. I see your point, but I disagree. Your turn.
Situation 3. You're unsure. Slowly. I'm not sure, honestly.
Normal speed. I'm not sure, honestly. Your turn.
Situation 4. Something surprises you. Slowly. Wow, I didn't expect that.
Normal speed. Wow, I didn't expect that. Your turn.
Situation 5. You want more information. Slowly. Can you explain that a bit more?
Normal speed. Can you explain that a bit more? Your turn.
Wonderful. Now situations at home.
Situation 1. You're cooking. Slowly. Dinner will be ready soon.
Normal speed. Dinner will be ready soon. Your turn.
Situation 2. Something's missing. Slowly. Have you seen my keys?
Normal speed. Have you seen my keys? Your turn.
Situation 3. You're relaxing. Slowly. I'm just going to relax for a bit.
Normal speed. I'm just going to relax for a bit. Your turn.
Situation 4. You need help. Slowly. Could you give me a hand with this?
Normal speed. Could you give me a hand with this? Your turn.
Situation 5. You're finishing up. Slowly. I'm almost done here.
Normal speed. I'm almost done here. Your turn. Excellent. Now situations on the phone. Situation 1. Answering a call. Slowly. Hello, this is Michael speaking.
Normal speed. Hello, this is Michael speaking. Your turn.
Situation 2. You're busy. Slowly. Can I call you back later?
Normal speed. Can I call you back later? Your turn.
Situation 3. Bad connection. Slowly. Sorry, I can barely hear you.
Normal speed. Sorry, I can barely hear you. Your turn. Situation 4. Confirming plans. Slowly. So we're meeting at 6, right?
Normal speed. So we're meeting at 6, right? Your turn.
Situation 5. Ending a call. Slowly. All right. Talk to you soon.
Normal speed. All right, talk to you soon. Your turn.
Amazing. Now, everyday reactions. Situation 1. Something good happens. Slowly. That's fantastic news.
Normal speed. That's fantastic news. Your turn.
Situation 2. Something goes wrong. Slowly. Oh no, that's not good.
Normal speed. Oh no, that's not good. Your turn.
Situation 3. You're grateful. Slowly. I really appreciate that.
Normal speed. I really appreciate that. Your turn.
Situation 4. You're tired. Slowly. I'm exhausted today.
Normal speed. I'm exhausted today. Your turn.
Situation 5. Saying goodbye. Slowly. Take care. See you soon.
Normal speed. Take care. See you soon. Your turn.
25 situations done. Halfway there. Now, situations at work. Situation 1. Starting a task. Slowly. I'll get started on this right away.
Normal speed. I'll get started on this right away. Your turn.
Situation 2. Asking for feedback. Slowly. What do you think of this?
Normal speed. What do you think of this? Your turn.
Situation 3. Missing a deadline. Slowly. I need a little more time.
Normal speed. I need a little more time. Your turn.
Situation 4. Agreeing to help. Slowly. Sure, I can take care of that.
Normal speed. Sure, I can take care of that. Your turn.
Situation 5. Ending the workday. Slowly. I'll finish this tomorrow morning.
Normal speed. I'll finish this tomorrow morning. Your turn.
Great. Now, situations while shopping. Situation 1. Asking for a price. Slowly. How much is this one?
Normal speed. How much is this one? Your turn.
Situation 2. Needing a different size. Slowly. Do you have a bigger size?
Normal speed. Do you have a bigger size? Your turn.
Situation 3. Deciding to buy. Slowly. I'll take this. Thank you.
Normal speed. I'll take this. Thank you. Your turn.
Situation 4. Something's too expensive. Slowly. That's a bit too expensive for me.
Normal speed. That's a bit too expensive for me. Your turn.
Situation 5. Finishing payment. Slowly. Can I pay by card?
Normal speed. Can I pay by card? Your turn.
Fantastic. Now, situations while traveling. Situation 1. Asking for directions. Slowly. How do I get to the station?
Normal speed. How do I get to the station? Your turn.
Situation 2. Checking in. Slowly. I have a reservation under my name.
Normal speed. I have a reservation under my name. Your turn.
Situation 3. Something's delayed. Slowly. Is this flight delayed?
Normal speed. Is this flight delayed? Your turn.
Situation 4. Asking for recommendations. Slowly. What do you recommend around here?
Normal speed. What do you recommend around here? Your turn.
Situation 5. Arriving safely. Slowly. We finally made it.
Normal speed. We finally made it. Your turn.
Wonderful. Now, situations with friends. Situation 1. Making plans. Slowly. Are you free this weekend?
Normal speed. Are you free this weekend? Your turn.
Situation 2. Complimenting someone. Slowly. You look great today.
Normal speed. You look great today. Your turn.
Situation 3. Apologizing. Slowly. I'm really sorry about that.
Normal speed. I'm really sorry about that. Your turn.
Situation 4. Catching up. Slowly. It's been way too long.
Normal speed. It's been way too long. Your turn.
Situation 5. Saying thanks. Slowly. Thanks for everything today. Incredible! Final set for today, situations expressing feelings. Situation 1. Feeling happy. Slowly. I'm really happy right now. Normal speed. I'm really happy right now. Your turn. Situation 2. Feeling nervous. Slowly. I'm a bit nervous, honestly. Normal speed. I'm a bit nervous, honestly. Your turn. Situation 3. Feeling proud. Slowly. I'm proud of how that went. Normal speed. I'm proud of how that went. Your turn. Situation 4. Feeling relieved. Slowly. I'm so relieved it's over. Normal speed. I'm so relieved it's over. Your turn. Situation 5. Feeling motivated. Slowly. I feel ready for anything today. Normal speed. I feel ready for anything today. Your turn. Incredible! That's 50 real situations completed. Day 1 done. Let me share something real. I had a student who translated every single sentence in his head before speaking, even simple ones, and it made him sound hesitant and slow. We used this exact instant response method. Situation, sentence, speak. No thinking time, just 10 minutes a day. Within a week, he told me his responses started coming out naturally, without that translation delay. That delay isn't a language problem, it's a habit, and habits can be retrained. So, here's your challenge. Go through today's 50 situations one more time, but this time, don't look at the screen, just react. Comment below with the number 1 to confirm you completed day 1 with us. If this helped you, please like this video, subscribe to Qlip English, and turn on notifications so you don't miss day 2 tomorrow. Speaking of what's next, tomorrow we bring you Don't Translate, Just Speak, Day 2, with 50 brand new situations, building directly on the instinct you trained today. Thank you so much for showing up for Day 1. That's the hardest part, and you already did it. See you tomorrow for Day 2. Bye!